Hey fam, welcome back. In this video, we are going to be unboxing my Beautylish Lucky Bag. I'm so excited. So if you want to see what I got in my Lucky Bag, go ahead and stay tuned. We're going to get into it right now. So this is my very first regular old Lucky Bag. I did get the Jeffree Star one last year. This year I opted for just the general Beautylish Lucky Bag. This is the $75 one. There was one for I think like $150, but for a mystery box I didn't want to go too crazy. So I'm excited to see what they sent and I'm excited to share this with you guys. So here's what the inside looks like. I know they got a calligrapher this year to make this beautiful paper, and it always comes with this little tag that explains the Lucky Bag customs. It says Lucky Bags are a Japanese New Year custom that inspired us to create our own. This Japanese character on this year's Lucky Bag, which means dawn or daybreak, symbolizes new beginnings after a challenging year. We hope the surprises inside help you welcome 2021 with hope and light. Me too. So we are going to open this bad boy up. And inside we have paper. Be going with your paper. Oh, and here is our little bundle of goodies. Okay, so here is our bundle. Let's see what we've got. So I'm going for the green one. I see green. So this is the Good Molecules Discoloration Correcting Serum. It is intended to target discoloration and promote an even skin tone. Hallelujah, because your girl needs this. I am so excited. I have a lot of hyperpigmentation from just not taking good enough care of my skin in the sun, and I am so excited to try this and see if it works. I'm excited. I've never tried Good Molecules before. I'm so thrilled. I hope this works. The next product in my box is this cleansing spa water. It is from, Kojin-do. Oh boy. I've only ever heard of Kojin-do, I think on Michelle Wong's channel, and her stuff is always very expensive. So I'm not sure what this is. Contains natural herbal essences. Oh, it uses some kind of natural spa water. It's oil-free and mildly acidic. What is this supposed? Oh, it's a makeup remover. So maybe this is like a micellar cleansing water, which I just talked about in my BoxyCharm video. So I'm really, really thrilled to see this. And Kojin-do, oh my gosh, I can't believe I get to try something from that brand. Woo! The next product I'm really excited about too. This is a Sonia G brush. I have never, ever tried a fancy, expensive brush. I don't even have any Sigma brushes, let alone Sonia G. This is so beautiful. You see her little label here on the bottom, right there. And this looks to be, it feels so, it feels really soft. I like the weight, like the way it feels in my hand. This would be a beautiful like crease brush, like a blending brush. It's nice and fluffy. I cannot wait to try this. I'm so excited. My first little fancy brush. And now we're getting into some makeup. The first product I see is this one from Hourglass. This is their Ambient Strobe Lighting Blush. It's in the shade Incandescent Electra. Let's see what this looks like. This is really pretty. It looks like to be like a peachy champagne tone. Very nice. This next product is very exciting too. I got a lipstick from Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Hot Lips in Viva la Vergara. Okay, all right, girl. Oh, it comes out in like a little slidey box. How cool. And this is a beautiful component. It's got like these little stripes all around it, and it's a dark wine color. Very beautiful. Oh, I'm so excited, and this packaging is exquisite. Woo! And there is one more product in my Lucky Bag. Let's see what this is. It is in bubble wrap. What is this? Oh, this is the Wayne Goss, the Luxury Eye Palette. This is in Pearl Moonstone. I wonder if this is the second one or the first one. Remember I was talking in my Lunar Beauty video about wanting the second palette? What if it came to me in my Lucky Bag? I don't know. The first one looked beautiful too. So we'll see which one this is because I'm not sure which one was Pearl Moonstone. This is my first ever Wayne Goss anything. I'm so excited. It comes in a really pretty black sleek component. Let's see. Is it the warm one? Is it the cool one? Oh. I'm so excited. It's the cool one. I almost bought this so many times. I'm so thrilled. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to try this. What a fun Lucky Bag. I really like it. And it was $75 with tax and shipping. It was like $90, which is a little pricey. But between the brush, the Charlotte Tilbury Lippy, the Wayne Goss palette, an Hourglass blush, a Sonia, did I already say the brush? Oh, the Good Molecules and the Kojando Spa Water. I feel like this is perfect. I'll get use out of every single thing in this box. Like, I like everything. Everything like suits a need I have. I'm so excited. I think this was a fantastic lucky bag. I would love to know if you got a Beautylish lucky bag this year, what you got in your lucky bag. Definitely let me know in the comments down below. I'm so thrilled with everything that I received. This was so much fun, and I cannot wait till they do it again next year. I'll probably pick up another $75 box next year if I can get my hands on it, or maybe I'll spring for that expensive one. We'll see. But I was really excited with what I got this year, and I'm just thrilled because it is a mystery box and it is kind of pricey. So there's always a little bit of a risk, but in this case, I'm so thrilled with everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you all so much, and until the next video, bye.